everyone, welcome back. This is Simply You Makeup. My name is V. Our IM today is, I am going to do 3 IMs today. So we can just stay motivated and keep putting oil in that lamp so it can keep on burning. Our first IM for today is I am uniquely me. You are uniquely you. I am uniquely me. Number 1, I am. Number 2, I am is I am impactful. I am impactful. You are impactful. Number 2. Now, number 3 I am for today is I am anointed. I am anointed. 3 I ams to keep us motivated, inspired, and to move along and encourage ourselves so we can encourage each other. I am uniquely me. I am impactful. I am anointed. For foundation, I am using Fenty Pro Filter number 420. I am using a wedge to apply that. I'll do base first and then we'll jump into the eyeshadow look. My face is a little sweaty, and if I look a little swollen on one side, I went to the dentist a couple days ago and I had to redo my fillings. Well, one filling, it was cracked. I'm in no pain. It worked out well. My dentist is really good at what he does. He does a fantastic job. He did a fantastic job. So my right side, which will be your left, is where I had the filling done. He did a good job. Take a look. Keep my smile good, yeah. He actually really did a good job. Somebody like me who loves to smile already, oh boy. Thank God for a good dentist. My face is just sweaty today. Menopause is like, what's going on, menopause? But remember your I ams. I am impactful. I am anointed. I am uniquely me. You are unique for a reason. Don't ever underestimate that. So Fenty 420 Pro Filter Powder Foundation is my base for today. I'll do my forehead later because right now it's just soaking with sweat. Hopefully you can see it. So that's why I'm not doing it on camera. It's like right now there's a lot of sweat on the menopause. But we are going to keep rocking and rolling and having fun with our makeup. Pull your palettes out. Let's create something beautiful because you are beautiful, and don't let age get in your way. Trample on top of age. Age is just a number. Age is not you. For all my people out there who loves a one color eyeshadow look, I am going to create one color eyeshadow look with a matte today for you. I'll be using the AFROGALACTIC by JUVIA'S all month long, so that's what you'll be seeing on my eyes if I forget to mention it. I'm going into this pink right here. It is called, this pink is called Light. I'm going to use that as a one color eyeshadow. So big fluffy brush because it's just one color, so I can use a big fluffy brush all over. I will do my left first. I usually do my right all the time, but I'll do left first today. That pink is called Light. AFROGALACTIC. Let's go into space and back, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One color eyeshadow, you know, you can't make a mistake with a one color eyeshadow. You can take it all the way up to the brow bone, or you can just leave it from the lid to the crease. Me, I put it eye, so I go a little bit above my crease so I can see the color. And I am staying on the brow bone today. I just love this palette. This palette is beautiful. I don't hear too many people talking about it, but it is gorgeous. If you have it, remember to play with it. If you don't have it, pull something out and have some makeup fun. If you hear a lot of noise in my background, I have the windows open. So every car that passes, you might just hear it when I'm talking. If I'm talking at the time they're passing, I'll try to stop. I'm just going over it because I have oily skin. So the first set of eyeshadow I put on my lids just get sucked in by the oil. Whether I put a base on and I cover the base with powder and put my eyeshadow on, that happens. I just have that type of skin and I am thankful for my skin. So I always go more with eyeshadow than maybe you see other people do, is because the first set just gets drink up by the oil. I am gonna dress this up and I am going to come back to you. Vava vavoom. Don't move, just stay right there. I am uniquely made. I am impactful. I am anointed. 3 I ams for today. This is today's single one color eyeshadow look. For all my subscribers and viewers who love to wear single color eyeshadow look, this is it. And it is a matte. Thank you all for watching. Remember to subscribe. Always keep rising. Never, ever, ever, ever give up on self. And I want you to know, you are uniquely made. You are uniquely you. You are uniquely made. Don't give up on self. If something is wrong, if you are having thoughts that are not healthy, call someone, please. Talk to somebody, because life is precious. Very, very precious. I'm even getting emotional because I know there's so many people struggling, especially this time of year. Don't give up. Don't give up. Find help. Seek help. There is always somebody out there who's willing to help you. Don't let your thoughts carry you away. This is only today. There is more for your life than just now. There is more. Don't give up on self. Don't give up on self. I know it's hard for a lot of people. It is hard for people who have lost family members during this year, and now Christmas is gonna be coming up soon, and usually there might be that place they hang out on family lunches and dinners and get-togethers. Don't give up. Hang in there. Hang in there. Do the best you can with what you have and seek help. Oh, did I think I cried on my makeup. I did. I tear up on my makeup. Right here. The tears will come in because I know it is important for people to be healthy, healthy thoughts, healthy mind, healthy body, healthy soul, especially this time of year when everything seems to be happening. You know, Christmas celebration, people are traveling, you know, it gets hard. And if you feel like crying, please don't think that you are too grown or too small or to be ashamed to cry. It is okay to cry. Cry. I will see you in the next video. Keep rising. Keep loving yourself a little bit more every day. And I will see you soon. Bye. One color eyeshadow look. Simple everyday makeup. I know I use a bold lip. I just love a bold lip. Love a bold lip.